Guys, alam niyo naman na I am very fond of sulit loans, diba? Sulit loans and flexible loans na basically nagbibigay sa atin ng better benefits such as the 0% interest. In this video, isi-share ko sa inyo ngayon ang loan offers coming from Skyro, a financial company na nag-offer ng iba't ibang loan products that matches your needs. So samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlists na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, first and foremost, syempre kailangan muna natin i-introduce sa inyo sino ba talaga tong si Skyro. Tingnan muna natin ang kanilang company profile. Under the Check with SEC app, ito po si Skyro. Company name, Skyro Lending Incorporated, doing business under Skyro, formerly Jungle Lending Incorporated. And then meron po silang SEC number, which is yan, registration date nila, and yung address po ng company nila. And then, they also have the secondary license dito. Thus, masasabi po natin na legit itong si Skyro. So, since na-introduce na natin si Skyro, ano ba talaga yung mga loan products na ino-offer ni Skyro sa atin? Well, unahin na natin dyan ang product loan. Basically, pwede kang pumunta sa mga appliance center or even sa mga merchants na nagbebenta ng gadgets, cellphones, laptop, etc. You can loan as much as 100,000 pesos and the tenure is 6 months up to 24 months. Ganun po ka-flexible itong product loan ni Skyro. Also, you can get a product loan with as low as 0% down payment. May mga product loan offers dyan na nag-a-allow ng 0 down payment. Basically, pupunta ka doon, pag nakita mong 0 down payment, hindi mo na kailangan maglabas on the spot ng pera para maiuwi mo ang gusto mong item. And syempre, huwag natin kalimutan ng interest. Ang interest nito guys, di ba sabi ko, 0%. They can offer as low as 0% interest up to 7% interest. Kasama ng product loan nyo ay ang feature nilang Skyro Flexi. Dito sa Skyro Flexi na to is you have the option to change yung total na amortization mo 3 beses sa loan contract nyo. And also, pwede nyo ring baguhin ng 3 beses ang date kung kailan kayo magbabayad. Diba? How flexible is that? Parang wala pa akong nakitang loan service na katulad ni Skyro na pwedeng baguhin yung monthly amortization or even the due date itself. But before we go to another loan product ni Skyro, tingnan muna natin ang sample calculation ng kanilang product loan para makita nyo at magkaroon kayo ng preview kung gaano kababa ang ino-offer nilang product loan. Dito sa website ni Skyro, meron silang calculator para ma-preview natin yung amortization ng isang product loan. Let's say yung product loan na hiramin natin ay nasa around 30,000. And then let's say 0 down payment. Tapos ito po yung installment period kung gaano katagal natin babayaran. And let's get 12 months. So basically, ang monthly payment lang po natin ay 3,569 pesos with 0 down payment and with an interest rate of only 3.9%. Kung medyo nalalakihan naman po kayo dito, you can still stretch it over up to 18 or even 24 months, di ba? The longer ng tenure natin, the lower naman din ang monthly amortization. And bonus tip na lang po sa inyo guys, di ba nasabi ko po na yung interest is as low as 0% interest? Because si Skyro po ay meron siyang panibagong feature na ang tawag po nila dito ay Skyro Zero Plan. Ito yung babayaran mo yung product loan nang wala kang babayarang additional interest. Nakadepende ang zero plan mo based on the tenure na kinuha mo. For 6 months or 9-month na installment na kinuha mo, ang zero plan mo is yung first 3 months. So basically, during your first 3 months, if binayaran mo in full yung product loan mo, ibig sabihin yung principal ng product loan mo, you don't need to pay any interest. At the same time, if ang tenure na kinuha mo naman ay 12 months or more, then the first 6 months will be your zero period. So you have 6 months na bayaran yung loan mo na principal lang at wala kang babayaran na interest. And one good thing here is that hindi mo na kailangang i-activate ito kasama ang zero plan sa inyong product loan. Okay, let's move na sa susunod na product offering nila, which is the Skyro Credit. So basically, once you got approved for a product loan, it opens up for you the possibility na makapag-apply ng Skyro Credit. And masasabi ko sa inyo, this is one of the best loan solution that they can offer. Kasi ang Skyro Credit Line, magagamit mo to sa pag-purchase mo ng mga item, mga groceries, or pagbabayad using QRPH. This is something like a buy now, pay later. bibigyan kanila ng credit line na gagamitin mo to pay for your purchase using the QRPH. Basically, it's flexible and reusable. Once na nagbayad ka dyan, pwede mo na rin kagad magamit ang credit line mo. And this is 0% interest up to 45 days. No processing fee or even service charges. As in, zero. Baka pwede naman kayo mag-subscribe and follow dito sa aking mga social media channel. Dito po sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. So please follow and support. While you are using this Skyro Credit, meron din siyang tinatawag na cashback. Wala akong nakitang ibang buy now, pay later service na nag-offer ng cashback. So sa Skyro Credit, they offer 1% cashback sa bawat purchase natin worth 100 pesos or more. Basically, wala talaga tayong other fees na babayaran dito. Walang processing fee, walang commission fees. Pag nagbayad ka in full on your due date, as in 0% interest. So, saan nga ba natin pwedeng gamitin ang Skyro Credit? So basically, every merchant na nag-o-offer ng QRPH payments such as in Jollibee, 7-Eleven, McDonald's, etc., pwedeng-pwede natin gamitin ang Skyro Credit. So last product na gusto kong i-share sa inyo ay ang Skyro Cash Loan naman. So basically, this is somehow like a personal loan wherein pag umutang ka dito, you can use that money to pay for tuition fee, bills, renovation, etc. Basically, kailangan mo lang ng one valid ID to apply. And yung loan proceeds mo can be processed within 24 hours. At the same time, pwede mo ma-receive ang loan proceeds mo sa e-wallet mo, sa bank account mo. And they have a flexible term of 6 to 24 months to pay din. And, syempre, huwag niyo kalimutan ng interest. The interest rate that they offer is as low as 1.5% monthly. Diba? For a cash loan, ganun kababa yung kaya nilang i-offer? Well, basically, this is a very sulit loan offer. Saan ba tayo pwede mag-apply ng Skyro Cash Loan? Well, ito yung listahan natin kung saan kayo pwede mag-apply. Pwede kayo mag-apply sa Click App, Dito App, Palawan Pay App, Credit Kaagapay, Pay and Go, Go Rewards App, and InDrive App. So, ito yung mga gateway natin para makapag-apply tayo ng Skyro Cash Loan. So, basically, ito yung 3 main loan service na gusto kong i-share sa inyo. And remember, Skyro Product Loan is your key in availing different loan products na ino-offer ni Skyro. And having Skyro Credit, it is one of the best buy now, pay later service na pwede mong makuha. So kung kailangan bumili ng bagong appliance or gadget, well, itry nyo na po ang Skyro Product Loan. Yun lang muna for today's video. I hope you can like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala na problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!